What if dating kayo tapos ginost mo yung tao for, let's say, bad breath. Gaya nung nabasa natin. Gaya ng bad breath. Let's say ganon. Kasi sabihin mo pa ba yun? Kasi yung explanation na yun parang, oh, di ba? Ba't di mo na chinachat? Ba't di mo kinakausap? Baho kasi hininga mo, magsasalita ka eh.
Pero eto. Type ka na lang. pero eto minsan pwede mo namang sabihin in a nice way. Kumbaga parang...
Sige nga, sabihan mo nga ako na mabaho yung hininga ko in a nice way.
Ay, Shan, wala ka bang ginagawa? Tara, toothbrush tayo! Ganun. Joke lang.
Or giftan mo ng oral hygiene.
Pero...
May regalo ako sa'yo, love. Oh. Ano? Ayan o, toothpaste.
Uy, alam mo, love, may uso ngayon, toothbrush. Tara, ano tayo sa trend?
Yan, toothbrush brand na gusto mag-sponsor ng
Kasi medyo, ano na rin eh.
Ayan na nga. So guys, may nabasa tayo kanina, diba, sa Reddit.
Oh,
so,
yan. Binabasa mo eh.
Oo.
Tapos na
okay,
yung edit eh. Ay, sorry.
Okay,
read it.
Reading pa lang.
Reading pa lang yan.
Oo. Ba to? Go-ghost na.
Go, Reddit.
Oh, Reddit na. Okay. I ghosted him kasi bad breath siya. Is it really bad to ghost someone because they have bad breath? Bago pa kami meet in person, he constantly says na lagi siyang nag-ghost and he doesn't know why. Upon going sa room niya, it smells like bleh. The sheets are yellowish na. Magulo yung room and it smells like wee-wee ng rats. Also,
oh my God,
ng rats. My goodness. Also, lagi ako nakakarinig ng scratches and rattle ng mga bubwit there. Tapos, eto na nga. Nung kinausap niya ako, grabe, ang lala ng amoy ng bunganga. Amoy imburnal. Tried to kiss me. I tried to repel a lot of times. However, after madaming attempts, nanakawan niya ako ng halik. Ang grabe, parang gusto ko na mamatay after that. Nahilo talaga ako kasi naamoy ko yung faint saliva na naiwan sa lips ko after the smooch. Can't wait to go home after that. And now na nakauwi na ako, I'm not responding to his texts and messages on Messenger and other apps. Am I the bad person? No, that sucks.
Hindi siya bad.
He sucks.
Pinky lang yung...
Bad breath. That is bad breath. And that is bad. Yes.
I don't know.
Paano
No,
sasabihin
eto,
yun
eto kasi guys, pagkatao niya talaga, cause mind you, sinabi nung girl na when she got into the room, like everything was super messy, was dirty and all that.
Iba yung bad breath lang sa wala talagang hygiene.
Like madumi talaga yung living space and everything. Like iba yun, pabaya yun sa sarili or baka may pinagdadaanan siya or na something kasi minsan ganon. Baka depressed or whatever. I think na for me, she should have just said na you have a problem with your hygiene.
Madaming beses na siya na-attempan na halikan siya. Paano nangyari yun? Bakit nung day one pa lang? Sana inaksyonan niya na. Ito para sa akin na may pagkukulang yung babae na yun.
Baka naman hindi niya alam na pattern of behavior pala.
Nung first attempt na halikan siya.
Wait lang.
Oh,
first,
tsaka...
doon mismo, sa moment na yun, parang ilang beses daw, trinay nung guy. Kasi first time niya pumasok sa room.
First time...
Yeah, pumasok sa room. And then she saw na parang, oh my gosh, this is really bad. So, nung nandun sila sa moment na yun, the guy tried multiple times to kiss her. But then she did. Before pa.
Na-corner.
So, hindi pa sila masyado gaano katagal na together. Like, talagang dating lang.
Pero grabe naman yun.
To me, that's fine if you ghosted that. Kasi parang hindi pa naman kayo, alam mo, hindi pa deep. Like, as in, first time mo sa place nila.
Kasi matagal na.
Yeah, so it's like a stranger pa naman to you. So parang, oh, that's so off. Bye. Like, parang ganon.
Pero sa akin naman, kung speaking of, gusto mo naman talaga maging, like, ayaw mo mang ghost talaga. I mean, nakakatulong din if sinabihan niya na talaga si guy from day one. Malay mo, ikaw pa yung maging rason bakit umayos siya.